Junkyard Joe by Krystal Meldrum. For as long as I can remember, Junkyard Joe has been Sluggett's garbage man. He seemed real strange to everybody. Rumor had it he only took 2 baths a year, which sounded great to me. Ma made me take a bath every Saturday, whether I needed it or not. Junkyard Joe never came to shindigs. Everybody who was anybody came to the annual harvest picnic. We ate pie and showed off our biggest rutabagas and radishes. He just stayed home and talked to his goat. Every spring, Ma and I planted seeds for our prize-winning squash. I told Ma, I hate growing squash.
Ruby, it fills bellies during these hard times, and we always win a prize.
Why can't we grow anything pretty?
Not this year, Sugar. We have seeds, but no space.
Well, then, can I have our flower seeds?
I reckon.
So I took the whole kit and caboodle. I ran next door to the dump to see what pots I could find. From the top of the mountain of junk, I spied a broken basket, a teapot, and a tire that could be my nursery. Climbing up the teetering stack to claim my treasure, I heard a shout from behind.
Hey, what are you doing on my property?
Nothing, I stammered. I just need a few things.
Don't you know that's stealing?
Sorry, sir. Well, what if I leave something better in its place?
Like what?
How about some treasure? I'll bring back dirt and plant treasure and you'll love it.
Well, I guess.
Yahoo! I raced home to grab my shovel. That day, I planted my first 3 seeds inside old rubber tires. Each day, I remembered our bargain. I seeded an old broken sofa with forget-me-nots, a bed frame with zinnias, and sunflowers to brighten up the gate. I went home happy with all my loot. I brought friends, and Joe didn't mind. We painted and planted seeds galore. All through the summer, things got purtier and purtier. The flower bed grew, the lawn chairs sprouted, and petunias blossomed in the kitchen sink. Junkyard Joe built tire swings so we could swing like monkeys. We were a good team, except Nellie the goat. She ate everything. We put her to work wherever we needed to clear the ground. Joe, are you coming to the harvest picnic?
No, I came once, but nobody shared their pie with me.
Well, you should come, and you can eat with us.
Maybe.
2 weeks before the harvest picnic, it rained like cats and dogs. Ducks, wagons, and boats floated down the street. Worst of all, the park was a lake. Everyone was in an uproar.
Where are we going to have the picnic?
Cried Miss McTwitchell.
We may have to cancel,
said the mayor's wife.
By gum, the show must go on,
said the mayor. I piped up, Mayor, I know a beautiful place for the picnic at Junkyard Joe's.
At the dump?
It's a right beautiful place. Trust me, sir. So before you could say hop, skippity, jump, everyone came. We got the gardens all gussied up, and we had a hog-killing time. Joe got a prize for his flowers, and Miss McTwitchell gave him one of her famous rhubarb pies. And we've had the annual harvest picnic there ever since.